I live in Jocelyn House, Joss for short, in a one-room triple. So there's 3 of us in one room, and we have a nice room overlooking Joss Beach. If you're in college, you're either studying, eating, or sleeping. So it's very nice. It's one straight walk to dining hall, 2 minutes, and it's also like a 2-minute walk to a library. I think these are the 2 most important locations, the library and the dining hall.
I am a junior and I've lived in Joss for all 3 years. So 2-room double, it sounds kind of like strange, but it pretty much just means that you have 2 people in one like room assignment, but each person gets their own room.
I love Joss. I think it's actually the best dorm on campus, in my personal biased opinion.
The dorms are the nicest and the biggest. I think it's a combination of like the most renovated and the largest that you can get from all the dorms I've seen on campus.
Joss has 2 common spaces. We have an MPR, which has a nice TV, a ping pong table, and a pool table. To have something called the Joss Parlor, or Jarler, as we like to call it, at Vassar, and you can always almost always see people chilling there.